Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's vlog is about our recent trip to Wild Planet Jungle Resort. It's been so long that we went for a trip due to COVID and we planned to visit this resort on our son's birthday. We packed our bags at night and we even bought shoes for everyone to be used in the resort because it's mandatory for performing all activities. And we even bought a BSNL SIM card to be used in the forest area. Next day morning, we started around 7 o'clock from Coimbatore. We had our breakfast in the outside hotel near Metupalayam. We reached Ooty around 9 o'clock in the morning. From there, we started to Kudalur. The ride to Kudalur was very pleasant because there is no traffic at all in the Kudalur road. On the way, we saw Paikara Dam, and this place is Naduvattam village. This is a nice location. It was very calm and beautiful. We can take some photographs and spend some time with our family. We can see many waterfalls on the way to Kudalur, and this is one such waterfall we saw. This is one of my favorite places in the entire trip. We felt like we are in the middle of the forest. It was such a great experience we had while traveling on these roads, and I recommend everyone to visit this place. We reached the place Devala around 12 o'clock. From here, we could see the boat to Wild Planet Jungle Resort. So, this is the entrance of the resort. It started raining when we just entered. The roads are very much damaged here due to heavy rainfall in September month. Make sure you have a proper vehicle to climb the hills because we cannot expect a proper road inside the forest. We reached the resort entrance. From here, only if we have a pre-booking, we will be allowed inside the resort gate. We need to park our vehicles here and we will be taken to the resort in the resort vehicle. It's another 1 kilometer journey from here. Around 1 pm, we reached the resort. So, this is the beautiful lobby which you are seeing. Here, we need to complete all our check in procedures. They welcomed us with a welcome drink. After lunch, they will drop us to our room in the same resort vehicle. We selected this Valley View room type in the resort. There are 4 different types of room in the resort. I will add the link in the description box for you to check out. It was a very decent room with all basic amenities in it. We stayed in this room for 2 nights and 3 days. The balcony in the room is an excellent place to sit and relax with family members. The main reason I opted for this room is it is situated right above the tea plantation, and you could see a bridge over there which is constructed by the resort people. This place is not so chill like Ooty or Kodaikanal, but this place we can expect rainfall almost all the days. We will not feel bored even a single minute in this resort because there are handful of activities included in this package. So food and activities both are included in the package. We have been asked to close all the doors and windows of the room all the time because there are few monkeys roaming here. The first activity which we selected was a rainforest walk at 3 pm. Kids are not allowed for this activity, only adults are allowed here. They gave us shoes in order to prevent from leech bites. It was raining little bit, so they even provided us with a raincoat. This is the first time I'm going to a forest and I was so thrilled and excited. We never felt tired in this because the air was very pure. According to Central Pollution Report, this area in the Western Ghats is discovered as one among the top 5 regions in India with the freshest breathing air. After the walk, we had a nice refreshment in the restaurant with snacks and tea. Next day, it was our son's birthday. In the resort, they have arranged for a cake in the lawn area. Our son had a memorable birthday there. After cake cutting, it started raining and it continued for half an hour. It was such a nice experience to sit and watch the rainfall from the lobby. We forgot all our work tension and had a very good time over there. We spent some time in the indoor games. There is also a kids activity area and kid had a nice time here. The next activity which we tried was archery. It was really a fun activity and I tried it for first time. There is also a hanging rope activity in the same place. They did not allow us because it might be slippery due to rainfall. Then we went for our lunch. We tried both veg and non-veg recipes. The taste was very good. For the safety of the guest, we are not allowed to roam outside at night time. So we decided to spend some time over the bridge after our lunch. The entire view of the resort from the bridge was very amazing. This place is a 100-acre land which is fully fenced. We took some photos here and then we went to our room. The next activity which we tried was zipline. Kids are not allowed for this. And it's the first time we are trying something like this. It was a very different experience and we enjoyed it. There is a small lake set up in the resort. We can try kayaking here. Resort people will teach us how to do it. We might have tried boating in Ooty and Kodaikanal, but this gave us a different experience. I was little nervous at the starting, but it was fun at the end. At night, they have done a campfire setup in front of the restaurant. We spent some time with family and we left for our dinner. The taste of all the recipes was very good. Kids will love it because they have many dessert recipes. After dinner, we had a very good sleep that day. It's time to check out. The resort vehicle will pick us from the room to the lobby. The staffs were very friendly over there. There is a small tribal art shop near to the restaurant where we can purchase tribal art. We planned for a trekking activity at 7 o'clock in the morning, but we couldn't go for that When you come over here, just try this out because others said it was very nice. We had a very good breakfast that day. Then they gave us a feedback form to fill in. After completing all the checkout process, they will drop us from the lobby to the parking area in the same resort vehicle. The checkout time is at 11 o'clock in the morning. We all love this place for its greenery, silence, and a fresh air. Life is too short. Enjoy each and every moment in the life. Thanks for watching our video. See you in another video. Bye bye.